is for our entity data, we are follow the standard storage standard storage policy with the retention like 7 days, 14 days, and 1 month, and 3 months. So these are the standard storage policy with the retention. Okay, now we can move on the Commvault console. Okay, from PIM you can able to take access of that CommServe. Yeah, if you see, this is a Commvault console where we can manage the all activities like that, configure the backup, schedule the backup, set the retention, set the alerts, schedule the reports. So all those things we can able to control from the CommServe. So in that CommServe, if you see above line in homepage CommSell, and other is job controller. In job controller, you can see the all your job activities, whatever backup is running state, whatever backup is waiting state, whatever backup is completed, all are you can see from the job controller. Okay, from the job controller you can pause the backup, you can suspend the backup, you can kill the backups if customer side there any activity is going on. That time they have requested to us to pause our running backups or stop the our backup. So that time we can stop or pause the backup from job controller. Okay, then events viewer, from events viewer you can set the all events like that, any CommServe like that related blackouts windows, whatever you can set the timing of that our CommServe when backup started time and the end time like that. So we can mention the event viewer, and if anything goes wrong, if any users create any problem, that time we can see the event viewer, and in that we can able to see those activities. From alert from we can set the multiple alerts here, like job anomaly alerts like that, any ransomware attacks or anything is will maybe happening in that environment. So for that, as a second side, we can enable that alert as well. Okay, so we will get a alert about that if anything's trying to reach our CommServe. And index state multiple, if we see if we state on the server, sorry, just second. ये पेज का मतलब मेरे पास है. So in that if alerts, we can configure the multiple alerts from here, like backup job fail, auxiliary copy fail, all those things we can configure from alert. Okay, and we can be able to edit as well. If we configure one alerts and we want to edit, so we can want to change something from here, so we can be able to change anything from the this edit option. Okay. Then scheduler like that, customer want to schedule his report on a daily basis, weekly basis, on monthly basis. So for that we can configure the scheduler as well from here, and we can able to edit as well. If we already configure the scheduler, then we can change from the edit option. Next is license and registrations. So we are able to see the license summary from here, and when we can we had deployed these setups and what is the registration code, all those things we can find here. Then capacity, what is the capacity we have purchased for these clients, and uses, what is the uses we can see from here, all those things we can monitor from here. Okay, then next tab is license details. From license details, same, you can check in details about the licenses, like whatever physical license we have get, whatever virtual license we have get, what is the storage size we have get, all those things we can monitor from the license details. License apply, if our license is expired or newly we have purchased the tool, that time just we can browse the that license file and just click on apply, then it will be a new license or existing license, it will be apply for this CommServer. And last one is license summary. In that license summary, you can see the all your uses and permanent types, all these things you can monitor here and you can highlight. Apart from that, control panel like that, whatever new things we will configure or something needs to change or something needs to check, that time we can use the command central. So in that control panel, you can able to see that CommServer live sync. If customer want to sync his data from DR to DC to DR, that time we can use this option and configure the live sync. Okay, there is multiple option, and whatever credential we have set, our new credential customer provide, that time we can use the credential vault, and from here we can edit, modify, and we can configure new, all those things we can do from here. Next is new clients. I think some people are know about that, because who is working on Commvault. If we can push the network from Commvault side, then we will use this new clients option. From here you can see the all option, all agent based backups, like Windows, Linux, SAP HANA, hybrid file store, Azure, all those things, Hadoop, big data, Nutanix, all those things we can configure here. NAS storage as well. So if it is virtualization, VM level backups, we will need to take, then we will configure from here virtualization option. Then there is two option, web console and command center, uh, which I have shared this console. It is a Java console, and apart from that we have one command center also. For command center, um, we will able to do everything whatever we can do in that Java console. Same activity we can able to do on the web console as well. So just we can click on the that command center option, then we directly reach that command center. Okay, in that also you will see the all same option from here: virtualization, file system, database, laptop, Office 365, Exchange, whatever you want to take up backups, then we can choose this related option and configure the backups. Okay, if you see the file server, then whatever file server is configured, so we are able to see all those clients from here. So this is a command center. And apart from command center, there is also a web console as well. Web console, like that, there is multiple services we can able to use, like that: reports, configurations, CommServe dashboards, my data download center, whatever. Sometime back Ambush was told from download center we can able to download the agent for the installing the agent. So that time we can use that option and we can directly download the package from the command center as well. And from Java console also we can able to download the package. Okay. Apart from that, you can see here clients group, then clients computer, companies, securities, storage resources, policies, reports, workflows, like that. Multiple option is there. It is all are the features whatever we can configure for our smoothing the operation or providing the support smoothly to the customer. Yeah, if we can install the agent in the source machine. Okay, after that these server we can able to see from here in the client computers. If we can't see that server name in that under the client computer, then it will not install the agent. Okay, once successfully install the agent we can able to see the under client computers. Okay, and yeah, for example customer want to create a group as per his file system backups, his database backups, his virtualization machines. So for that we can able to create a clients group as well. From here you can create a client group and you can add whatever customer want to create a group like that. We already talk about that key. If it is related to uh, database, file system, virtualization machine, exchange, whatever. And once we can create, then yeah, you can be able to see the group in that like. And once you create the group, then you can add your server in that group. Okay. If you have anything modify on the group level, then it will be apply on the all clients under that group. Then security, in that security tab you can see the console users, like how many users are able to take a console of that com server. You can modify here, you can disable if any engineers don't want to take access that com server, then we can stop the access and we can able to create a new access from the console user. And CommServe group, under CommServe group there is two group, master and views. Some newly joined engineer, so they don't we didn't give the full rights to that com server. So these engineers we can provide only view rights. They didn't have rights to modify and anything configuration. They can only view the com server, view the jobs, view the dashboard, all those things only. They have view rights. Okay. Apart from that, we can move from the storage resources. From storage resources, there are multiple features in that, like a storage pool, then media agents and libraries. In that libraries we can able to create a libraries like tape libraries, whatever we can discuss on slide level. That time we have see as practically we can see on a dashboard there is disk library. When customer want to store data on a disk library, then we can just configure the disk library from here. If they are want to store data on a tape, then we can select the tape. And otherwise there is cloud library also mentioned here, cloud option also here. So there is multiple things here. So as per customer requirement, we will create a library and we will store the data in that libraries. Okay. Apart from that, we can move on the media server. Whatever media server in our environment, we can able to see from this option under the media server, media agent. Under media agent, there is four total media server, but one is CommServe server. And another three is media, but now live is only one. And if you see the red mark, it means it is not working, or it is not online, it is offline. So it will be discontinue or decommission, like that. Apart from that, we can move on the report part as well. Customer want is report, customized reports, or some reports he wants. So for that, we can configure the report from CommServe level. Yeah, if you comparing with the other backup tool, so this feature is not included in that master server. If customer want to reports on daily basis, weekly basis, then they will purchase separately reporting tools. But in the Commvault, there is no additional cost, or there is no any additional software for the reporting purpose. In that only CommServer level, we can configure the reports, any customized reports, or any as per customer requirements we can configure, and we can able to schedule on a daily basis or weekly or monthly basis. Okay. Okay, storage resources, we have already discussed about the library and media server, media agents, and storage pool, and policies. In that policies, what is the policy like that, we can able to configure the storage policy, either we can configure the schedule policy. There is two policies, one is storage and another is schedule policy. And what is the work about that, what is the role, the both policies. Storage policy, like we have already discussed in the slide, they have defined the retention period, and schedule policy define the schedule timing. Whatever time customer want to take backup, that time we can schedule it, like afternoon, evening, night, or Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that. Whatever day he want to take backup, so like that we can schedule the uh, schedule policies. Okay, from schedule policy, how we can configure it? Just schedule policy, and on a schedule policy, just click on right click, and just you can get this new script. हाँ सर, ये ट्रेनिंग है. ठीक है सर, next time.
इकडे संपलं सगळं का?
Okay, thank you. हाँ
कॉल असेल हा.
हाँ हाँ, चालेल सर.
हम कॉल जब किए थे वो कॉल कहाँ गया?
So from here we can configure the
उसको बुलाए थे,
schedule
बोले जाना है.
policy. Okay,
क्या
just
ये
you can click on add, and just define whatever full incremental, like that. We can just select and just select the schedule pattern. Schedule pattern, if you see on the screen, there is one time, there is daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, automatic, like that. There is features to we configure it, and whatever times Commvault overview की meeting है sir. So from here you can schedule a schedule policies. Okay. Then storage policy, we can also see the storage policy. From here you can set the retention period in that storage policy, whatever name you can want to give here, whatever storage name, daily, weekly, like that, you can just type here. You just click on next, and you can just select the storage pool, whatever storage pool you have already created. Then you can just select and just click on next and finish it. Once finished, you can just you will able to see the all policies in the under the policies. If I open any one, okay, max db 30, so okay, you will see that primary storage policy, and with retention period, it is written only 8 days. Under this policy, whatever backups we can take, it will goes for a 8 days retention only. Okay, if customer want after 10 or 15 days data, so we can't provide him, because the retention policy we have set like that 8 days only. As per retention, we can able to restore the data. Okay, so now we can move on the restoration parts. Okay, if customer requested for the restore his data, whatever he lost or whatever he will planning for the activity, so so in that mail or tickets we will get, and in that they have provided the all details. So basically what we want in that storage activity, firstly we want the source server name, after that source path, after that destination server and destination path. Those details we required for the restoration. Okay, so for example, customers want to restore his data. I will just take this one server. Okay, in that we can directly goes on the that subclient level. Okay, under file system there is, okay, one is, so I think Kumar has question to under which how we can define the path of that backups. So if you see the agent, which agent we have installed the destination client. So if you see the file system and SQL server, both agent we have installed the client machine. Okay, and after that we will able to take a backup of file system as well as SQL database also. Under the SQL server we can define the database name. This is the instance in that server, and under the default is our subclient. Under the default we can able to configure the backups. Okay, under the content, these are the database name. Okay, already configure here. So these are the database we have already configured here. And if you want to add in that new database, then you can just click on the configure. Then you will see the remaining database in that server. Okay, if you see the all the database showing here, whatever, if customer want new database add in that backup, then you can just select that database and just click on OK. Once you can click on OK, then it will be reflect on that uh, content part. And once it is come under the content, then it is a configured. Okay, then you can just assign the storage policy. Under the storage device cap, you can configure the storage policy whichever we already created as per the standard policy. I already told you, as per entity we can follow the standard retention 14 days and 1 month and 60 days and 19 days. Accordingly we can configure the sorry, storage policy, and we can directly select here and just click on OK. Once we click on OK, it will be automatically apply this selected policy in that subclient. Okay, and under that we can also able to see the activities like that. If customer want to no longer take a store his data or take a backup of that server, then you can just disable the activity. Once you can click on the enable backups, if you remove this tick mark from here, then it is a goes offline like that, so it will be not run again and it will be not take a backups. Just cancel it. So if they want to restore the data, just we can right click on the default subclients and just check the job history. From here you can check the job history as per date or as per timing. You can just mention here and you can see, and you can apply the filter as well. If you want only full backup, differential, transaction logs, whatever you want, fail completed like that, you can just select here and just click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will get the all backup job here. Okay. And from here also you can able to filter it. If I filter on full backups and customer want to yesterday's backups like a 13th of July, so from here you can able to restore the data. Okay. Just click on the browse and restore, then just select the path restore on out of place. If same destination is not there, then out of place you can select. If it is same the destination server source and destination is same, then you can select first one option. Then if you select the restore to disk, directly restore on a disk. In advanced tab you can take you can get a more features for the restoration. Just click on the view content. Once we click on the view content, we are able to see all the content whichever we have taken a backups. Wait a second, it will take a typing. If you see from here, you can see all the database whatever customer configured, and on a daily basis, on weekly basis, as per customer requirement, this data we have taken and store on the storage level. And from here you can just select whatever customer requirement, what their data want to restore. Just select from here and just click on recover all selected. Whatever you have selected, just click on the recover all selected. Whatever we have selected, those data we will able to restore on a destination server. From here you can see we have selected the same destination, that's why there is no option to select the destination server. Okay, it is a directly show the same server name. Okay. A service 03 we have taken that server backups, and if we want to restore on same server, then it will be showing like that. Okay. Just modify the destination path or same server but different path. Then you can just modify the physical path and you can just click on OK. Once you click on OK, job will be started and you will able to see that job controller. Just click on job controller, and whatever job started, you will able to monitor the restoration job. You can monitor the that backup jobs, all you can monitor from the job controller. Okay, once we click on OK, then these jobs come under the job controller, and here you can see the progress of that jobs. And if anything is port is not opening and the server is not online, and other the CommServe services is not up and running state, then the data the job is going in pending state, either waiting state like that. So just click on the jobs and see the error code, whatever error it is showing. Accordingly we will troubleshoot and accordingly we will fix the issue. So that is the overall CommServer Commvault. So how it will configure, how we can restore the data, how we can schedule the reports, all those things we have already covered. Okay. Anything query, just ask me. So I will clear it. Tim, anything has question?
Guys, please ask if any concern on this, or shall we conclude this call? Just confirm.
Yeah, I have a question about the
Okay.
compression rate. So let's suppose I have 100 GB of front end, right? I just want to understand the backend repository required to save that backup. So different scenarios, file level backup, right? And this DB level backup and the image level backup. So I just want to understand all three scenarios.
Yeah, so Commvault using the deduplication features in that. So if we can take a file level backup, so in that scenario, we will able to compress the most of the data and we will get a deduplication of that file system. If in case the front end data size is 100 GB, then it will 90 to 95% we will get a deduplication in that scenario. If it is a database backup, if it is database backup, in that mostly we can get a deduplication in that database. So about 60 to 80 in between we can get a deduplication. Okay, and if we talk about that compression and deduplication, it is a inbuilt features of the Commvault, and it is applied on the media agent level, whatever media agent we are using. On the media agent level, it will be compressed and it will do the and it is eliminate the same copies, and it will take a only unique data from the client side. But first backup it will take a full size, no duplication, no compression. It will take a front end all whatever the server size. It will be first time it will take a total size of the that server data. After
Okay,
second
so
time,
100 GB. So it would
yeah,
take 100 GB in BT. So sorry, in BAT backend, right?
yeah,
So
yes,
whatever is
yes,
front end, it would be equal to the backend, right? But after that, the compression would be like 95% for the files. So it means
yeah,
out of 100 GB, only 5 GB would be required to
correct.
on the backup repository. Correct?
Backup repository, right, right,
Okay, thank you.
correct. Anything else?
Granular level backup, I just want to understand. So do we support?
Backup level.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. So let's suppose the this particular AD object or some database only or the particular file. So are we able to restore those
Okay.
things?
Yes, yes, we can. Whatever we have configured the backups, so it will be we are able to restore those data. If we configure Exchange, if you configure AD level backups, then we will able to restore all those things.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, anything else for anyone?
Okay, guys. Thank you for joining. We will conclude this call
Okay,
here.
Ankush,
Okay,
just
and
Harshali,
whatever your
now
further
we are
query.
concluding this call. Hello, Harshali, can you hear us? I think she's on mute. Okay, if no questions, nothing is there, then we can conclude this call.
Yeah. And yeah, in future you have any query, just ping me on Teams chat, so we'll be guide on it. Okay. So, okay, team. Okay, Ankush. Sorry, Ankush.
Yes,
We will
yes,
conclude
we
this
can leave.
call.
Yeah, yeah, we are leaving this call. Thanks. Thanks everyone.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, team.
Thanks for joining the call.
Thank you.
Thank you.